Gerald W. Brister here, and let's continue with the law of first impressions. Probably 25 years ago, it's a long story, but 25 years ago, through a series of events, I was picked to go represent welders on a pretty big pipeline and talk to a very large pipeline contractor. Guy owned this business. He's very well known. There's no need to mention his name, but let's just say he was a big guy, big shot. I was tired, been pipelining all day. I went to his office, and there was nobody there but he and I. And this guy, to my mind, is an old TV series years ago. You older people will remember it, called Dallas. And there was a character in there that was a rich guy, and he was kind of a wheeler dealer, and named J.R. Ewing. That's what this guy reminded me of, J.R. Ewing. Smart, go-getter, type A. So we're sitting there talking, and welders were upset because he's going to give a certain bunch of welders more money than our welders for their trucks. So we're kind of going round and round about that. And then we kind of calmed down, it was kind of getting nice. And then I said something that set him off, and he went off. And you know what he went off about? He said, I'm paying these guys this much money. I keep good equipment on my job. And he did. All his equipment, all his side booms, all his pickup trucks, company things are always like traded every 2 years. And he said, I got these raggedy welders coming here with these raggedy trucks that look like they just rolled out from a homeless camp, and they're on my job, pulled up next to my job, and I'm paying all this money. And he said, that's why I don't want to pay you guys any more money. I'm Gerald W. Brister. I never forgot that.